In 2000, Speedo and a couple of the other companies first started producing the full body suits for swimmers. At about that time, I had published a couple of research papers on things like the effects of shaving body hair and whether that would make a measurable physical difference to swimmers' performance. So they called me up and asked me to join the team in helping to develop a suit for the 2008 Olympics. There's been a good 3 years of prototyping and testing with this particular suit. First of all, the base fabric is a nylon lycra weave, and it's extraordinarily thin. You can see my finger through there. But it has such good elastic power that it really compresses in on the skin and holds that skin tight. Then in addition to the base fabric, on top of it, we have a polyurethane membrane that is also stretchy, not quite as stretchy as the base fabric, but it's a very low drag surface. And what we did is we put these panels, these polyurethane panels, on the parts of the swimmer's body where we had measured the highest amount of drag. These seams here where the two ends of the fabric come together are ultrasonically welded rather than stitched. Because what we found is when we stitch the seams, which is the traditional way to do it, it creates a little bump on there. We put it in the wind tunnel out at the NASA lab and found out that the reduction in drag across these seams was about 14% lower than a regular stitched seam. But inside, around the mid-torso area of the swimmer, we've built in a corset-like additional layer that provides an extra level of support for the core of the body, particularly when they start to fatigue. And these muscles around the core of the body start to fatigue a little bit and relax. This helps to support them during that latter phase of the stroke. February is when the suit was released and started to be used in competition. And since that time, there have been 52 world records set, and 48 of those have been in the new Laser Racer suit. I'm proud of the work that we did. I'm proud of the company because the company really did put a lot of resources into this. I'm proud of the swimmers because they really have cooperated and played an integral role in providing feedback and input into the design of the suit. And Iowa State University for supporting me and my efforts in helping to bring this suit into the marketplace. It's here to stay. It's a part of the game now. When races and medals are won or lost on hundredths of a second, I sure would like to have the advantage of having one of these suits on if I were one of them.